Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my second ever unboxing video on this channel. Last year I did the TF2 unboxing video for all these Halloween packages. Last year it was around 28 I believe, this time we're up to 34. Now, I was really surprised with the new maps they added this year, except for Graveyard. Fuck that map. Um, but yeah, I got this done pretty quickly actually. This is probably the fastest I've done the contracts. Anyways, let's begin the unboxing with, well, let's go in order. A Headhunter and the spellbook page. Alright. First things first, as I'm going to be doing throughout this video is I'm going to be checking to see if I already have the item or not. And in this case, wow, I got all three items in the Rooftop Rebels set. All in Scream Fortress. It's pretty cool. Last year I had some surprisingly decent luck. I think I got the Chicken Key and the Spy Mask, and I'm hoping this year I'll have something else. The Birdie Bonnet. Yeah. This one I'm not too sure. Oh crap, I already do. Okay. Um. Actually, you know what? For any dupes, I'm gonna put them in page 46. Alright. Number 3. Haunted Undercover. This one okay, good, I don't have that one. Alright. And I'm not gonna do a Crimson Cash collection unboxing. I would much rather stick to just these ones. Smoky. That one I'm pretty confident I don't have. Yep, okay. That's all I want to do. Sometimes I can tell right away if I have an item or not, but others I'm not too sure. I think I have the arm for this, and I believe I got that last year. Yep, wow, okay. I got that last year. Okay, just like the Rooftop Rebel, back to back, and I got the complete set. Granted, there's only 2 of that, but still. That one I already have. I can tell right away. I remember getting, in fact, I remember ordering the Grand Duchess set, all in Haunted variants. Oh my god. No way. It's unfortunate. I already have that. And I believe, yeah, last year I got it too. It was either last year or the year before. I don't know. I got that one not too long ago. I was really happy I got that at first, though. Spooky Sleeves, I'm pretty sure that's a dupe. Yep. Oh, well, okay, I got that one from a different unboxing that I didn't record. Oh, whoops, sorry about that. Oh, man. Oh, well. That... wow. That one I already have. Damn it. I think I'm already getting more duplicates than, the amount I got last year. I have so many damn items in that. Yeah, another dupe, I can already tell. Oh no. What? Come on. I just got that one in a better version. This one's not looking too good. I can't always have good luck. Oh, that's not a dupe, I'm pretty sure. In fact, yeah, I have it strange. I got a strange one on that. Ah, man, this one kind of blows. What happened last year? It was so good. This year it's not looking. Okay, Brain Maggot. I'm pretty sure I don't have this. Okay, good. To be honest, I've always wanted a Brain Maggot. Matter of fact, I actually didn't. Yeah, I didn't do like these zoom ins or whatever. That's pretty dandy. Grease Monkey. Let's see here. No. Reject monkey. Or reject humanity. Become monkey. Invisible Man reference. Griffin's Gog and Tangible Mascot. Okay. The Hunter from Left 4 Dead set and just one robotic leg. Okay, well, let's continue. We're only about halfway done if we've gotten more dupes than we have other items. The Rugged Respirator? Perfect, okay. Okay, well, it just looks like a more messed up mask. That's weird, I guess. I really hate the Halloween restrictions are still a thing. Spectrum. I know if I don't have that. Ooh. Edgy. I like that. You know, so I'm just gonna paint that lime green. That one is a duplicate of one of my first ever cosmetics. That happened last year too, I believe. I got that same exact one. Another Rooftop Rebel duplicate? Are we gonna go back to getting multiple dupes in a row? Yep. Damn shame too. I love the Metamedes, and I got that one 2 years ago, I believe. Yep, and it was also haunted. I'm not sure if I could do like a proper giveaway, because I canceled mine last year. I don't know if I can give away items like this that are untradeable. Ultimate Trotters? Do I? No, I don't. Good. Oh, is there a demo too? Okay, yeah, you can make some interesting cosplay out of that, I guess. Oh, yes. Oh, sweet. Okay. The soldier mask to go along with the spy mask from last year. Oh, nice. I love that. Because I didn't play TF2 Scream Fortress at all during when these were readily available. Back when the gifts were a thing. Damn shame they got rid of that. Einstein. I'm not getting any spellbook pages this year too. That is interesting. Oh, yep. I ordered one off the marketplace several years ago. Oh man, the Tin Soldier. I already have that complete set. Yeah, if I can somehow give away all these dupes instead of transmuting them, let me know. Because I would love to. I got that one last year. I can already tell. In fact, yep. God damn it. Yeah, if I can actually give away this stuff instead of just saying them to transmute, let me know. This will be limited time, so. Oh my god, why? Why another one? Yeah, this one's not looking too good. I've only gotten like only a few new items. Okay, the glob. Do I have the glob? No, I don't. Okay, that's good. Ooh. Yeah, well, it looks like just a blob with Pyro's eyes and his brain. I wish stuff like that would be all class. I would love to see how that looks on other characters. This one I'm not sure. Oh, come on. Wait. When did I get that one? Okay, that is weird. I do not remember getting that. And what have we got this time? The ball locks. Oh man, several years ago. If you want any of these, let me know. I'll see what I can do. I got the freaking heavy set. Man, wow. This is actually not looking good as compared to last year. Polly Petrie. Nice. Okay, good. As soon as I say he's not looking good, I gotta do. Whoa. Alright, I don't know if he does any voice lines like the Archimedes the Undying. This is not looking good. I'm getting so many dupes. Alright, Birdhead. This one I don't think has any lines, but it's okay, Birdhead's a Birdhead. What's that? Sweet, okay. Birdhead. Yep, I like that. I like the Birdheads. Rare one does, because that's why they're so rare. Especially the Chicken Kiev. I hate how rare that thing is. Last bite, what? Nope, sweet. Alright. Aw. Sandwich is dead. That's adorable. Oh, come on. Well, I can't pick this up. The hell? Okay, that was weird. Little glitch. Last one. This isn't looking good. Damn it. I'm pretty sure I got that one last year. Yep. It's haunted as well. Oh, wow. In comparison to what I got last year, this one blew. Oh, that sucks. That actually sucks. I can't believe that. Okay, well. Well, it was worth it, I guess. There's a lot of stuff here that needs to go. If any of y'all want this, let me know. Thank you for watching. I'm actually pretty disappointed with this one. Well, this isn't exactly what I was talking about with my last upload when I said I had something big coming up, because this one's kind of just an impromptu thing. So, maybe some other time I'll do a different unboxing, one that isn't Scream Fortress, to see if I can better luck. Maybe I'll do the Crimson Cache cases, I don't know. But I hope you all still enjoy this, enjoy my pain and suffering, and I'll see you all some more time.